Panasonic, the heart of your system.
Hi guys, Storm here with Kit Guru, and I'm back with another review, but this time I'm reviewing a desk. This one's from the guys from AKRacing, and this is their Summit desk. Again, I'm gonna have to build this one. We know how well that went last time, so wish me luck. I wanna get started on this one and I'll check back with you soon. The Summit desk comes fully wrapped up again, all the parts separated to avoid any damage in transit. And again, I'm going to record it, see how long this one takes me. A whole bunch of screws in here, headphone rest, desk, extra large mouse mat, and the legs, and this cable management. This I'm really excited about. So let's get started. Like before, the screws do me in again here, but thankfully, like the chair I built before, it comes with all the tools you'll need to build it yourself, so you're not having to faff around too much with that. Okay, so step 4 is to attach the cable tray to the back using the hex bolt, which means I've got to turn this over. And we're done! I finished it, and it took me 24 minutes, give or take, moving the camera. But it's not too bad. It's a heavy table. Let me just start off by saying this is a really heavy table. So if you were going to get one, I'd recommend it's probably a 2-man job. So with that being said, here's what you need to know about this desk. The Summit desk is gauge steel. I guess that explains the weight of it all. It's got MDF and PVC laminated cover, which looks really nice. It's got built-in cable management, which is probably my favorite feature so far. I'm not too sure about you guys, but my cable management sucks, and I appreciate all the help that I can get. It's got an optional hook towards the front of me for the headphones you probably saw me building. It's nice that AKRacing decided to include an extra large mouse mat with the desk. Since it's such a highly reflective surface, a mouse mat is going to be pretty essential here. The desk height is 28.7 inches, about 73 centimeters. So bear that in mind, depending on how tall you are, how high you have your chair, that's going to be something you want to consider when going forward. The legs, the width of them, this way, is 25.4 inches or 64.5 centimeters. And it's got a 2-year warranty. I really like this desk. I think it's really nice. It's not cheap, but it doesn't feel cheap. It's really sturdy. It's really heavy. It's got built-in cable management. It's got the optional headphone support. It's a really stylish desk. The table legs I really like. They're designed as a R, completely impractical, but they look really pretty. So take that with a pinch of salt. It's not going to make the table any better, but it does look pretty good. I don't know how resilient this material would be without the mouse mat, or how easily it scuffs. So bear that in mind, but it's gorgeous to look at. And if you have a setup that's RGB enabled, then I think that's gonna look really cool. This comes in at £249, which is a pretty premium price for what it is. And it is a nice desk. Considering the material and the design elements they put into it, I guess I can understand the asking price, but still. Again, it's steep, it's pricey. Have a look around, see if there are any deals around. I will do the same and I'll post it in my review on the Kit Guru website. I like it. I'm not sure if I would have parted with so much money for this desk, but you do get what you pay for, it certainly seems like. Anyway, it's still a desk at the end of the day. A very sturdy, pretty and stylish desk, but still a desk. Unless you have a really nice space to display it, a lot of the flair is going to get lost. But let me know what you guys think. How important is a desk to you? I mean, you tend to get really nice peripherals, nice chairs and all of that jazz, but I'm not sure how often people really think about the desk and the cable management and like little extra pieces for the headphones. It's nice that they've included some of these things that are specific to gamers. So let me know what you think. Are desks even on your radar when you're building your setup? If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell to know when the next videos are out. And until next time, guys, I will see you later. Bye-bye.